Hello everyone, I'm showing you how to do oil reset on Acura TL. So that's when I change my engine oil. So ignition on. So you're gonna use these buttons. And you see, so I passed like 654 miles. So basically see like this, and you're gonna push this button, so reset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you see it's new button. So now you're gonna use just this button and push this button to reset engine oil. So you see, so that's now I'm gonna set up this button. You see what's on your screen. See, engine oil 100%. So that's it. So ready to drive. Thank you.